Regularly reviewing your statement, comparing it to previous periods and industry benchmarks, and taking action based on what you've discovered can help you achieve financial success you desire for your business. Welcome back to our channel. I am delighted to have this opportunity to discuss one of the fundamental financial tools that can significantly impact the success and growth of your business, the income statement. As an accountant for over 25 years and now an enrolled agent, my goal is to empower you with the knowledge that will help you make informed financial decisions and drive your business toward greater profitability. So let's dive right in. The income statement, often referred to as the profit and loss statement or P&L, which is what we like to refer to them as, is a financial document that provides a snapshot of your company's financial performance over a specific period of time, usually monthly, quarterly, or annually. It is a vital part of your financial toolkit because it allows you to evaluate the revenue, expenses, and ultimately the profit generated by your business during that time frame. You might be wondering why this document is so crucial for your business. Well, think of it as your financial compass. Just as a compass guides you in the right direction, your P&L will help you to navigate the financial landscape of your business. It helps you answer critical questions like, are you making money? Your P&L shows you whether your business is generating a profit or incurring a loss. Understanding your profitability is fundamental to your business's stability. You might also be wondering where in the world your money is going. By categorizing expenses, your P&L reveals where your money is being spent. This insight is invaluable for cost management, cash flow management, and identifying areas for potential savings. Are you on track with your goals? Regularly reviewing your P&L will allow you to measure your progress towards financial goals. And it helps you adjust your strategies if you're falling short or if you're exceeding expectations, which is what we all like, right? Have you ever thought about attracting investors or approaching a lender? When you begin to think about seeking external funding, whether through loans or investments, an accurate P&L is a prerequisite, like it's a must. It provides potential investors and lenders with a clear picture of your business's financial health and potential for growth. When it comes to tax planning, your P&L are essential for calculating your business's tax liability accurately. Knowing your income and expenses will help you to take advantage of tax deductions and credits, thereby minimizing your tax burden. And I know we all want to make sure we do that, right? Well, Tried and True Financial Services' mission is to empower entrepreneurs by providing them with knowledge and strategies to gain better control over their finances while upholding the highest standards of ethics and integrity. Throughout this discussion, we will delve into the various components of an income statement, including revenue, cost of goods sold, operating expenses, and net profit, to demystify the numbers and jargon. My aim is to equip you with the knowledge to interpret these statements effectively, enabling you to make informed decisions to drive the financial success of your small business. So, as we journey through the intricacies of your P&L statements, remember that this financial tool is not just a piece of paper. It's a powerful asset in your quest to financial success and business growth. Together, we'll unravel its mysteries and empower you to harness its potential for your business's benefit. Now, let's dive into the key elements of your P&L and break down the numbers and the jargon, like I said earlier, to empower you with the knowledge you need to interpret these statements effectively. Grab some paper and a pen or your tablet to take some notes, because we will be discussing what each of these elements represent, why it matters, and how to interpret it. So let's get started. Revenue, your sales or income. It represents the total amount of money generated from selling your products or services during a specific period. It matters because it's the lifeblood of your business. High revenue indicates a demand for your offerings and potential for growth. And how to interpret it depends on how you analyze your trends in revenue. Are sales increasing or declining? You can investigate the reasons behind any changes, any seasonal waves, marketing efforts, and what's going on in the world can impact your revenue. Cost of goods sold. It represents and includes all direct costs associated with producing the goods or services you sell. All direct costs. This can include raw material, labor, and manufacturing expenses. And it matters because it directly affects your gross profit and ultimately your net profit. So it's vital to control these costs to maximize your profitability. And you monitor cost of goods sold by watching it closely. If it's rising faster than revenue, it could erode your profit. Consider renegotiating supplier contracts or optimizing production processes. And gross profit, it represents the difference between revenue and cost of goods sold. It's the money your business has left over after covering your direct cost of production. It matters, and it's a key indicator of your business's core profitability before considering operating expenses. A healthy gross profit margin is your gross profit divided by revenue. It indicates whether your business is efficiently producing goods or services. So you'll want to compare that margin to industry benchmarks for insights. And operating expenses. Operating expenses are all of the costs not directly tied to production. So these include rent, salaries, utility, marketing, and administrative costs. Operating expenses can significantly impact your net profit. So managing them effectively is crucial for your financial success. You'll want to break down operating expenses into categories. Are there areas where you can cut costs without compromising the quality or service? Identify any outliers that require attention. Net profit or net income or earnings. Net profit is what remains after subtracting all expenses, including cost of goods sold and operating expenses from your revenue. It's the bottom line profit. Net profit is a key measure of your business's overall financial health and its ability to generate profits. A positive net profit is a sign of profitability. A negative net profit means your expenses exceed revenues, indicating a loss. So you'll want to regularly monitor net profit trends and identify factors that influence them. Earnings before interest and taxes, or EBIT. EBIT is an intermediate figure that shows your operating profit before interest and taxes are considered. EBIT reflects your business's core operating performance, making it useful for comparing profitability with other businesses. A high EBIT indicates strong operational efficiency, and it's critical metric for potential investors and lenders, which represents your ability to generate cash. Understanding these elements of your P&L is essential for making informed financial decisions. Regularly reviewing your statement, comparing it to previous periods and industry benchmarks, and taking action based on what you've discovered can help you achieve financial success you desire for your business. Remember that your accountant can be a valuable resource for interpreting these financial statements and providing guidance on improving your financial performance. We've had the pleasure of helping small business owners gain better control over their finances by tracking their income and expenses. When they see how their money is being spent, it's very eye-opening. They're always so glad they took this major step to tracking and analyzing their numbers, and often wish they had started sooner. Comment below what your light bulb moment was. Turn on your notifications and make sure you don't miss our upcoming videos. Be sure to like and share this video with other business bosses in your community. See you in the next video.